In this video, I'm going to share how to make money from home. I'm going to reveal an incredibly easy method you can do without even leaving the house with just a Wi-Fi connection to start to generate income. You can see on the screen, this screenshot was deposits that are hitting my account on a daily basis. You can see a $900, $900, $600, and these are coming in just using the incredibly easy method I'm about to reveal to you. What I'm going to share with you is a worldwide beginner-friendly online program anyone can join and do to make money from scratch. That's right, you don't need any experience. You can use what I'm going to share with you throughout this video and start to generate income. Now, I'm going to share with you also how to access instant paying 100% products that you can promote as your own. You're going to be able to promote these products. You don't have to create them yourself, and you're going to keep 100% of the profit. I'm even going to share with you how to leverage a free automated system that does all the selling, telling, and following up for you. So this will actually convert your prospects, your leads, into buyers, allowing that money to deposit into whatever method, whether PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Payoneer, you actually choose to collect it in. Now, I'm even going to share with you how to get clicks to your automated system by simply copy and pasting, okay? I'm going to simplify this, and you're going to be able to just copy and paste online to get massive clicks to your automated system, and that will start to generate these payments. Now, be sure you stick with me because you're even going to discover how to do this in no more than 2 hours or less per day. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. One last thing, click the link directly below at any point in this video and you'll get taken to much more information as well as how to partner with this specific online program. Now, this method that we're actually going to be doing is called digital marketing. So what is digital marketing and how does it work, right? And why is it the most easy method to make money online in this year? So all digital marketing is simply marketing or promoting products, okay? And we're going to be promoting those products digitally or basically online, okay? So things like social media, things like websites, it's just doing it online. And the amazing thing about this is you can promote these products from a simple Wi-Fi connection anywhere in the world. So because we're marketing or promoting these products online, anywhere there's an internet connection, you can actually do this, okay? Now, the fastest way to do digital marketing and succeed is actually promoting products with MRR or master resell rights. Now, what are products with master resell rights? Like why is that the easiest and what does that even mean? These are basically where some products allow you to purchase them, and this will actually give you the rights to resell these products as your own. Okay, so you can actually sell those products as your own. And what this does is this gives you the ability to get paid instantly, okay, because the people are buying the product from you as if it's your own product. So you get that money right away and you keep 100% profit. So this isn't like affiliate marketing where you have to give a portion away to the product creator. And this isn't like network marketing where you have an upline or downline where you have to do pass ups. You keep 100% of the profits. So now I'm going to share with you more information on this exact program, as well as how to access the automated system and even get clicks to your link. So this is the community, a part of this program. Now this community is called the Digital Growth Community. I've done videos on this before. At the time of recording, you can see right here, there's actually 16,500 members, okay, with 169 online. So this is a very active program. And this program, though, is called the Legacy Builder Program. So the Digital Growth Community has a program called the Legacy Builder Program, and this is going to give us the ability to earn up to $900 instant commissions, instant payments. Now, what I want to share with you is that when you join this program, and again, there's going to be a link directly below, what you will get access to is a automated system, okay? Now, this is going to be given to you as a free bonus for joining one of the levels inside of this program. Now there's 4 levels, okay? There's a $100, a $300, a $600, and a $900 level, and it's a one-time payment. Now this gives you access to resell these products as your own. So whatever product level you join, you earn money at that level and all the levels under it. And what you get access to at every level, no matter what level you join, is a funnel, okay? So you can see right here, this is a page that you will start to send people to that will collect their email address. Now, the reason you want to do this is because we want to automate the process. If you love the idea of being able to travel the world and still make money without being there, right? If you like the idea of being able to sleep and wake up to money being made, this is how we're going to do it with this automated process. So your prospect, okay, the person that you're promoting to is going to go to this page and they're going to put their email in. And then it's going to ultimately take them to a page that looks something like this. Now, this is a page that's basically going to do all the telling and selling for you. So it's going to explain this business, it's going to explain this program, and people will be able to read over this and they'll be able to decide, is this something they want to do? Now, here's how we start to get paid with this method, okay? Once they go down, like I said, there's 4 levels. There's the 900, the 600, the 300, and the 100. Whenever they buy, okay, you will get paid instantly at that level. So when you actually join, you get access to this exact page and you can edit this and you want to attach whatever payment method you want to these buttons. And inside of the program, we actually teach you in very simple videos exactly how to edit these buttons. But what you want to do is connect this to like a Stripe or a Cash App. And when someone buys whatever level, you get paid instantly. Okay. Now, again, there's different levels here. So if they buy the $600 level, you get paid that $600. And you're not going to have to get on the phone with people. You're not going to have to sell people or have conversations. All you do is you send people to this link and then they will go through the process and buy on their own. Now, you may think, well, why are we collecting their email address, right? What's the purpose? The purpose is most people will not buy right away. Only about 1 out of 20 people will actually buy right away. So 19 other people need to be followed up with. But we're not going to have to get on the phone and follow up with these people. What's going to happen is when they put their email in, they'll get added to an email automated campaign like this. And you will be able to get access to this exact campaign with close to 14 high converting emails. Now, all of these emails will have your link, your website link in there, not mine, okay, yours, because this is your system. And what happens is these emails, okay, if you can see right here, this is, 6 hours, this is 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. So these go out about one per day, and these email messages follow up with your leads, working to convert them into a buyer. So what happens is out of those 19 people that don't buy right away, a lot of those people will start buying later as they start seeing these high converting emails. This allows us to easily and effortlessly start to generate commissions even while we're sleeping. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. So now this is the process here. There's 3 simple steps, right? So I've covered this part here so far. Okay, all of this right here, this will be done for you inside. Okay, all of this. So this part here is the automated system. Okay, the capture page, the sales page, the emails. You'll be able to receive instant 100% profits, right? 100, 300, 600, 900. That's how we get paid into a Stripe, PayPal, etc. And we can withdraw that into a bank account. That's the process. Now, like I promised you, I'm going to share with you 2 methods to, in 2 hours or less per day, get clicks to this page. How do we get people going to this page? There's 2 methods we teach inside of the program. There's copy and pasting ads, just advertisements. These are videos, photos, text on high traffic websites. These are websites that are highly visited, right? We want to post ads on those websites. And when people see their ads, because they're proven and we give you templates to use, they will respond. They will comment wanting more information, right? They will go to our link. And the other way we teach is by posting 3 pieces of content per day. Now, this can be in the form of Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube. You just want to be posting content, okay? And this content is designed to attract our ideal customers to us. Again, we don't have to cold message anyone. We don't have to bother our friends and family. Our ideal people will start to see that content, be attracted to us, okay? And when they're interested, they'll ask us for more information. Maybe they'll comment on one of our posts. They'll reply rather to one of our Instagram stories. When they do, we just send them the link again to this here. And then everything else is done for you. Everything else is automated. All you have to do is either copy and paste ads that we will give you the exact sites on where to post. We will give you the exact ads on what to do. Or we post content. You pick, just one social media site, whether Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you post about 3 pieces of content a day. And that has been proven inside of this program to work and get people going to this page. Okay. This is the process. So if you're watching this and you want to learn exactly how to access this exact automated system, these high converting funnel, the instant paying 100% commission products, and the training on exactly how and where to market those products, just go to the link in my description, put your best email into my page, go through the process yourself, also observe the process because that's the process your prospects will go through as well. And when you're ready to get started, get started. The last thing I want to share is if you're in the United States, we have payment plans where you can actually go to this page here. Okay, and let's say you want to get started at the $900 level, which is the most popular. You can actually click here and it will break up that payment into 4 easy payments. Right now, it only works in the United States, but we're looking for other options. Thanks so much for watching, my friend. Comment below if you have any more questions. And until my next video, I will see you very soon. Take care.